looking for a tall, dark, handsome man with eyes of blue and a golden tan, strong white teeth like Joel McRae. Hey you, get out of the way, watch the burning, strike the gun, goes a white.